Lucky Riccia, Vice President and Head of Cloud Software and Services, Middle East and Africa. Yeah, MWC 2025 is an amazing platform for us to talk everything industry, but our theme here this year is what next? And we're really underpinning the future of mobile broadband, not only in terms of the technology itself, but how it helps societies and digitizes business, enterprise, and the consumer experience. So for us, what next is all the technology and societal change that you see in order to take 5G to the next level. There's so far really solid build out of 5G across the globe, especially for us in Middle East Africa. We've seen great uptake across the continent itself. What we do see though is that we start to move from the early use cases, some of the success stories around fixed wireless access as an example for 5G. Then we start to look at more the monetization cases when you can do network slicing and take advantage of the extra capacity, throughput, latency, advantages and characteristics that can help you consume the experience in a far different way. So a lot of the advances that we're starting to talk about, especially here at MWC, really center around differentiated connectivity. How can we take 5G, both non-standalone, but then also moving into standalone, slice the network. Slicing the network gives us the capability or the ability to be able to provide differentiated connectivity to different use cases. And in doing so, our service providers can monetize in different ways. They can offer use cases to different segments of the market in different ways. So you think about enterprises that want to have private dedicated networks, they want to have a quality of service that differs and they want to pay a premium for that. You need to be able to have an open and programmable network, one that is secure and one that can be consumed by APIs that allow you to communicate across the different complexities in the network, be able to automate and make use of artificial intelligence and machine learning so that it's not overly complex being able to bring those services to market. Yeah, we look at sustainability across many different spectrums in that sense. How we're evolving, we start an evolution with efficiency gains and power savings. We look at our latest portfolio of radios that come out to market. What we're doing in the core network as well is taking advantage of the infrastructure, the underlying infrastructure, and being able to make it the most efficient usage in that sense. The third piece is our usage of artificial intelligence and machine learning. Essentially what we're trying to do is far more with far less. If we look at the combination of artificial intelligence, anomaly detection and automation, we're trying to lessen the load of activities that are required to run the network. There's a time to market advantage, of course, but it's those resources, those scarce resources that we're using far less of. And that's really how we're looking at it from a sustainability perspective. Largely, the way we look at a digital future is how do you create 5G as a platform for innovation? Giving you that open and programmable network works in a few different ways. The fact that we will make use of 5G and upcoming 6G capabilities with photonics. Essentially what we do is we secure the software-driven, intent-based operations, allowing us to go to market in a far more quicker manner than has been possible previously. And in doing so, what we're looking at is how to secure that the efficiency of our radios, the efficiency of network operations, the automated operations engine itself, if you can call it that, gives CSPs or service providers the ability to run at the most cost efficient but also energy efficient manner that they can. I won't single out one specific partnership. What I will say is that For us, 5G and the ecosystem of a smart network, one that is programmable, open and secure, means that we have to work with multiple partners across the globe. We really will be focusing on the technology platform that is 5G and using that as a platform for innovation. We'll be working with partners, whether it be in the device ecosystem, whether it be in the use cases possible in different industries, because they all bring a unique benefit, unique intelligence that will really help our service providers be able to monetize different use cases. You see, we're here at Mobile World Congress 25 to talk about what next. For us, it's an open, programmable, secure network, one that can be consumed via APIs, enabling time to market advantages and use cases that we never thought about before. So we see that that includes everything from photonics to 6G, but also distributed cloud and distributed core across the network. You can have different workloads in different places of the network, all the way through to monetizing in different ways. And those practices are all geared around what next. And we really see it here at Ericsson.